Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about some of the questions which is asked for RRB and TET NTPC exams. So let's start. The first question, who is the Chief Election Commissioner of India as of November 2020? Who is the Chief Election Commissioner of India as of November 2020? The answer is Sunil Arora. The answer is Sunil Arora. Along with that, Sushil Chandra. Sushil Chandra and Rajiv Kumar also selected as a new election commissioner in 2020. So the main thing, the Chief Election Commissioner of India is Sunil Arora, and Sushil Chandra and Rajiv Kumar is selected as new election commissioners in 2020. Next question, Nipah. Nipah is a options computer program, virus, cyclone, fighter plane. The answer is virus. Nipah virus is a bat-borne virus that causes Nipah virus infection in humans and other animals. A disease which a disease with a high mortality rate. So Nipah is a virus. And third one, who won the men's single title of the French Open 2020 tournament? Who won the men's single title of the French Open 2020 tournament? The answer is Rafael Nadal. The incredible Rafael Nadal extended his record-breaking region at Roland Garros by winning a 12th men's singles title. Okay. So he is the man who won for the 13th time the title, men's singles title, who won his 20th Great Slam title. Okay, so the men's single title is won by Rafael Nadal. The women's singles title was won by Iga. And the fourth question, iOS 01. iOS 01 is March for Unity of India, March for Peace of Japan, satellite launched by India, and bullet train of France. The answer is satellite launched by India. It is built by the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, for tasks pertaining to forestry, agricultural, and disaster management. So, iOS 01 is a satellite launched by India. Next question. The dance Kuchipudi, the dance form Kuchipudi originated from? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is originated in a village named Kuchipudi in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is a dance drama performance with its root in the ancient Hindu Sanskrit text of Natyashastra. So Kuchipudi is originated from Andhra Pradesh. Next question. New capital of Andhra Pradesh. The answer is Amravati. New capital of Andhra Pradesh. The answer is Amravati. Next question. The Indian Statue of Unity is located near? The Indian Statue of Unity is located near. Answer is Sardar Sarovar Dam. The Statue of Unity comes under the category of world's tallest statue and is located 3.5 km from small village called Kevadia in Gujarat. The Statue of Unity stands on Sadhu Island on Narmada, 3.2 km downstream of Sardar Sarovar Dam. So it is located in Gujarat in Narmada. Okay. The eighth question. The eighth question. Pisciculture. The term pisciculture is related with. Answer is fish farming. The answer is fish farming. The breeding, rearing and transplantation of fish by artificial means is called pisciculture. In other words, fish farming. And the next question, kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour is unit of, answer is energy. The kilowatt hour is a unit of energy equal to 3600 kilojoules. The kilowatt hour is commonly used as a billing unit for energy delivered to consumers by electric utilities. So it is the unit of energy. Next question, which vitamin helps the body absorb calcium? Which vitamin helps the body to absorb calcium? The answer is option D, vitamin D. To absorb calcium, your body also needs vitamin D. A few foods naturally contain small amounts of vitamin D. You can also get vitamin D from fortified foods and sun exposure. So vitamin D helps the body to absorb calcium. Next one, the audible frequency. Range of hearing for an average human being is from about, answer is 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. 13th question. As per Census 2011, which state of India has highest census ratio? The answer is Kerala. Next question. Tunisia is a country. Tunisia is a country of